Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today we are celebrating 15 August, the Independence Day of India. On this day in 1947, India became independent from British rules. We remember and pay tribute to our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Ashfaqullah Khan, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Bhagat Singh, etc., who certain their lives and who sacrificed their lives for our country. India is a land of unity in diversity. We should respect our nation and follow our duties, help people, work hard to make India stronger and better. Let us proud to be our nation and make India stronger. Jai Hind.